a neighbor who just like I have a neighbor. Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Let's begin the most of this beautiful day. Let's begin the most of this beautiful day. My neighbor, talk. My neighbor, tick. My neighbor, tick. Talk. Tick. Listen. Tick. Talk. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Tick tocker. Tick tocking. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick listen. Tick tock. Talk listen. Tick tock. Tick tock. Don't stop. The clock. Tick tock. Tick tock. Tick tock. The grinder and the clock. It doesn't stop. Tick tock. Tick tock. Can't stop the clock. Tick tock, grinder in the clock. It still doesn't stop. Tick tock. Voila! Tick tock. Ticking. Talking. Words. Sound. The clock has not stopped. It won't. Tick tock. Is that the doorbell? Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. 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 That is not the doorbell. That is the clock still. Ding dong. No. Tick tock. No. Yes. That is not the doorbell. The doorbell does not tick tock. Please do not tick tock my doorbell. Cannot stop. It grinds. The clock, talk. What do they say? That? The door? No. The clock. It's still the clock. Tick tock. Yeah. Hello? No. Nope. Never. Couldn't do it. Wouldn't. Nope. Oh. Nope. Answer your own clock and quit ding-donning, ringing mine. You know who's there. It's not me.